Hey there, guys. Chet here. Today, we're going to review the Shopify Grow plan. If you already have a Shopify store or you're planning to scale your business with a small team, this plan might be the right step for you. In this video, I'll explain the pricing, core features, and who the Shopify Grow plan is best for. So by the end, you'll know if this plan matches your business needs. Before we start, let me give you a special offer. If you want to build your Shopify store the right way, check the link below for the 3-day Shopify free trial and the $1 per month offer. You'll also get my complete Shopify course, so you set everything up with confidence. Now let's get going. First, let's talk about pricing. The Shopify Grow plan starts at $65 per month. Like the other plans, you can also take advantage of the 3-day free trial and then pay only $1 per month for the first 3 months. We mentioned that a moment ago. This gives you plenty of time to test the plan and decide if it fits your business. Now let's look at who the plan is designed for. Shopify Grow is made for small teams, which means it's ideal if your store is no longer a one-person operation. If you have team members helping with orders, products, customer support, or marketing, the Grow plan gives you the flexibility you need to manage everything properly. Next, let's talk about transaction fees. On the Shopify Grow plan, card rates for third-party payment providers start at 1%. This is lower than the basic plan, which makes a big difference as your sales increase. If your store processes a good number of orders each month, the lower transaction fee can help you save money over time. Now let's go through the standout features included in the Shopify Grow plan. One important feature is support for up to 10 inventory locations. This allows you to manage stock across multiple warehouses, fulfillment centers, or physical locations from one dashboard. This is very useful for growing businesses that need better inventory control. You also get 24-hour chat support, just like the basic plan. This means help is available always if you face any issues or have questions while running your store. One of the biggest upgrades in the Grow plan is access to 5 staff accounts. This is a major improvement over the basic plan. Each team member can have their own login with assigned permissions. This helps keep your store secure and makes teamwork significantly smoother. You no longer need to share one account with everyone. The Grow plan also supports in-person selling using your phone or a POS device. This makes it easy to sell at physical locations, pop-up stores, or local events while keeping your online and offline sales connected in one system. Let's talk about e-commerce features. Shopify Grow includes everything you need to run a professional online store. You get product management, inventory tracking, secure checkout, multiple payment options, discount codes, order management, and built-in analytics. You can sell physical products, digital products, or both without any restrictions. You also get full access to the Shopify App Store. This allows you to add advanced features such as email marketing, customer reviews, upsells, subscriptions, drop shipping, print on demand, and automation tools. The Grow plan gives you the flexibility to expand your store without switching platforms. Let's talk about usability. Shopify Grow is just as easy to use as basic. The dashboard remains simple and beginner friendly. Even with more features and staff accounts, everything stays organized and easy to manage. You do not need technical skills to use this plan effectively. And now there's some limitations. While the Grow plan offers strong features, it may still feel limited for very large teams or high volume stores. If you need more than 5 staff accounts, advanced reporting, or lower transaction fees, it may be time to upgrade to the advanced plan. So who should choose Shopify Grow? This plan is perfect if your business is growing, you have a small team, and you want better control over transactions and operations. It works well for inventory-based stores, drop shipping businesses, and brands that are moving beyond the beginner stage. My personal opinion is that the Shopify Grow plan is the best upgrade once your store starts making consistent sales. The lower transaction fees and staff accounts alone make it worth the extra cost compared to the basic plan. If you want to try Shopify Grow, use the link below and you'll get the 3-day free trial, the $1 per month deal, and my complete Shopify course to help you set everything up properly. All right, that's it for this review. If you found it helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe as always. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.